HR leaders, executives, people managers, and individual contributors may all be wondering, did anyone actually watch my video? If you're an admin on your Vimeo account, it's easy to see a detailed view of your video analytics and get a sense of what content is resonating and where your team is engaged. In analytics, team owners and admins can find the team report in the left-hand navigation. There are a few main metrics displayed in the table, including viewers, the videos viewed, and total views. Below, there is a detailed table you can toggle by team members or videos that gives more specific metrics by video or team member. Similarly, if I toggle back to team members, I can also scroll and click on any team member in the table to see their more detailed viewing history. Compliance is a critical component for enterprise businesses. The Vimeo Team Report allows you to track and identify the audience of your content by identifying each team member's viewing history of videos and events on your account. To ensure a certain group of folks have watched a video, you can find the video in the table, click on it for details, and view a list of team members that have watched that video. You can get total metrics up at the top or scroll for individual team-level analytics. For learning and development videos, businesses can monitor how employees watch training videos to better assess their learning and comprehension. The Vimeo Teams Analytics API can also help businesses integrate video analytics with learning management systems to create comprehensive views of employee development. In addition to what is in the report, technical users can connect with the Team Analytics API to get what's in the report and more, including metrics such as finishes, downloads, impressions, and total time watched. And that's it.